Ka kinhun mintri jong jela kala ai ka Mynjur na ka benta ban siu by lutksan ni ki jaka ba ar point hinyo klur tingka ban pen poi line bording ka batmai ka ba shispa life ar kilovolt ka batmu ban pen klan ka bording jong ka jela. Ya ka la Mynjur ha ka jingalang jong ka kinhun mintri bala penya da mintri rangba ka jela ukon rat ke sangma ha ka ar penyo tarik na itung. Umarkus en marak menteri Sorkar habakren shikinong thok khobor ula ong bayakan ka pisa on pendan kam ban shim jaka ka bajengai henriu point san kilometer ban pen paya ka bording naka arspa arpo shispa laipu ar kilovolt substation shaka shispa laipu lai kilovolt 2 into 50 MVA substation kapadang 1 hamau kanu. Kalain chamau kanu substation kayat kumban 3.1 kilometer. Ban pentri kam yakani ka Sorkar kadon kampanyo ikikatu ni kijaka. Kakin hun menteri kala Mynjur ban siu balut kesan ka ba arpo point nyokur tingka nakabenta kata kajing tu la ong umarang. Ula benrap ru bahagi project penpoi boarding kilinti ya ni kijaka ba pendan kam katanan lakhot ka right of way.
Number 3, the requirement of land compensation during the construction of 132 kV transmission line from 220/132 kV Syllad substation to be proposed 132/33 kV, 2 into 50 MBA Maukanu substations. There was a stretch of around 6.5 kilometers transmission line which is being drawn the line to the switches Maukanu substations. So there government has to acquire some plot of land there. So which cabinet has already approved. It's a stretch of 6.5 kilometers for 22 crores 37 lakh 83,729. So cabinet has approved this substation line, and beneath this power line, transmission line is also will be the plot where the department will be using. So that is called right of way.